This board's so heavy, I can't tell whether I got him or not. I don't feel him pulling, but he sure was punching on it. Yeah, we got him. I don't think he's no size. I don't think he's no size, but he's a fish. But he is a fish, man. We've been off the water so long. Ain't having much fun. Been fishing out of the little boat and hadn't been doing much catfishing. Been spending some time with my wife and having a good time, and there we go. Yep, that's pretty much so the first one in 90 days right there. That one come on a piece of white perch. We're fishing a demon dragon with a little rattle on it and a santee drifter weight with a sinker slide on it. And there's our first fish. We will take him. Thank you guys. I'd like to welcome you here to Whisker Pig Fishing. Been a while, man. We've been out of this boat. We fished one time. I put this boat, I worked on it a little bit, took it off the water in June, and it is August the 29th. We just got this thing back just a couple days ago, and we're trying to catch some fish this morning. Don't have a whole lot of time today. I got something else I got to take care of, but we're gonna give this thing a whirl. I'm just gonna take you fishing, man. So y'all come along. Let's see what we're gonna get out of the place today. There we go, fellas. Hit again right here. I think he come off. Think he come off. If he didn't, he's a little one. If he didn't come off, he's dink bait. Yep, we didn't get him. Same thing. Little piece of white perch. We're just fishing a slip float, a couple rattles, same deal. Yeah, guys, this is what we're seeing right here. We're seeing these scattered fish. You see the bait. I can see them off on the sides over here. You got to keep in mind, I got this speed set up on about 5 and we're going about 0.6, so it's gonna make them longer than they really are. But that's what we're seeing. We're seeing these little balls of bait and we're seeing fish. I believe that's actually a fish laying on the bottom. But that's what we're looking at here, guys. Yeah, where I thought it was gonna be, we're coming into the fall. There's a little change in the leaf colors and the water temperature is down to 85. It was up in the 90s, so it's starting to cool off. I don't see the bait up on top of the water, but we got a little breeze this morning and I can't see it, but I did mark a lot of bait, and I believe the fish are gonna be out on the face of this thing at the mouth of it. So we're gonna give this guy a whirl. Let's see what we get. Yeah, the way I'm tying this knot, I'm just making a loop for the weight right here, and I just double overhand knot. I put it through there one time, put it back through there again, and pull it down. And we're gonna hunt us down a little small piece of weight here. Yeah, we're just gonna stick a little small piece of weight on here. Give it a little push through there like that. Take that, stick it over the top of it. You see we got the loop up right here, and that'll hold us up. These droppers are the same way. I just put a little bit more line out, double overhand knot. The eye goes through the eye of the hook and back around right here. And that'll give us 2 droppers, and we really have to bait this morning. Here we go, fellas. Get the bite right here. Oh yeah. We got one on us giving us a little pull right here. I think our little pull was actually the board. Let's get it up here and see what we got on the end of this guy. Oh yeah. I feel life on the other end of that guy. Alright, here we go. Get our lines tight. Reel this dude up. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, he's pulling a little bit. It's a small channel cat, but I'm glad to see him, man. I'm glad to see him. These fish, the bait starting to move back up to these creeks. And I suppose as we get the bigger creeks, we'll get the better fish. Let's see, can we just flip this guy up in here? Ah. And there we go, fellas. The proverbial monster. Little piece of white perch. Same rig. Baby channel cat. Look at that little face. Ain't he pretty? Look at him. Ain't he nice and pretty? Alright, dude. We appreciate you coming. And thank you for your business. I think we just got hit on this rod right here. It's picking up. Here we go, guys. Hit on this side over here. Looks like he got it. Let's see if we got it hooked up. Well, like he may have got rid of it there. It's that board right there. Trying to catch some bait. Oh yeah, I think he's still on there. Let's try him and see what happens here. Try him and see what happens. That undone. Got a little fish on here for sure. Let's see what he's gonna look like. He's doing the loops. The loop-de-loop. Huh, he got that board. That little old dude catches our planer board, makes a big old giant mess. They do y'all like that? Is that just me? Come on. There we go. We got you that time. I had to get that board out of there before we really have a mess. We just catching these little channel cats. We'll take them though. It's nice to get back on the water, man. It's been a while. Just for getting hit right here, guys. It's like it's looking a little suspect right there. I ain't seen it jerk back. It's looking kind of funny. There we go. Oh, y'all. They was looking kind of suspect. Let's see what we got, man. This might be a gar. It's up on top of the water. Just forward out the lake. Dude thinks he's a tarpon out there. Thinks he's a tarpon. Looks like a little bag of fish here. I hope it ain't no gar. I see lips sticking up right there too. It's looking like a gar. Yes, look at that nasty joker. I hate to catch them things, man. When I say I hate to catch them things, I mean I hate to catch them things. Come on off, dude. They're gonna jump the boat with us right there. What kind of junk is that? All right, dude. Yep, you got to be wary of this guy right here, man. This sucker will tear you up, Jack. When you catch something got teeth like that, he's all about grabbing stuff and not letting go. Yeah, that was the wrong species. We got him off without no problem. I hate to catch him thing. Sucker ain't nothing but sharp teeth and bad attitude. I think we're getting hit, guys. Like a bite. Yes, sir. That'd be a hit right there. That would be a bite, man. We take that. Alright, let's see if we still got this dude. Get him out from around the rod right there. And there we go. And this fish seems like they're holding on the 9-10 foot break line. Just right about 9 or 10 feet. There ain't much size to them. We're gonna move here. Alright, we're gonna push this guy off of here. Yeah, we're gonna pull back out here till we hit the channel, which ain't but about another 100 yards, 150. Because this is all we're getting out of here. I ain't whining, but it ain't what we're hunting for. Thank you, sir. We appreciate your business. Yeah, we're gonna pull on out. We got the channels coming out here. We're gonna pull on out here to it. This is just a big flat cove right here, and it drops about 11 feet, and it'll go down to about 16 out here in front of us. That's about it. All right, guys, here we go. Get hit right here on this rod. Ah, yeah. Got a jumper back there. See, can we get a camera moved over here? Get you in this fighting chair. All right, let's see what we got going on, man. He's pulling on it, whatever he is. Feels a little bigger than what we was catching this morning. All right, get everything tightened up here. And there we go. Back in direct connection. Looks like a better channel cat there. Still not a giant, but much better than what we were seeing this morning. Let's see, can we flip this guy over in here? See how good he's hooked. I can't really tell with that meat on the side of his head like there. He's got the bait stuck on his face. Let's just jerk him over in here and see what happens. Oh yeah. All right, take it easy. Lighten up. Guys, that dude's barely hooked, man. You see that whisker? Much better channel cat right there. Much better one. We thank you, sir. We appreciate it, man. Yeah, I was wondering, we got wads of bait in here, but it's kind of shallow, so I was trying to decide where this is worth putting a little bit more time in, but man, I mean, this thing's loaded up with some bait, so we're gonna give it 30 minutes anyway, see what happens. All right, guys, we hit it. We're getting hooked up right here. Come on, guys, stay with it. There you go. Got him on, man. All right, man. We hooked up, guys. This feels like a much better fish right here. Much better fish. How you like the looks of that? Uh-oh. Something crazy just happened. A boy come out of the water and looks like a fish is gone, man. Yep, the dude come off. Look at that little piece of bait that guy hit. Little bitty piece. Man. Got to hate it when that happens. That dude came off. We about to make the turn and go back. That seemed like a much better fish. I got no idea why he come on button, but he did, and that's just part of the game, ain't it? Yeah, guys, the bait rod slams down, and I about bet you this is a catfish. We're trying to catch some bluegill for bait before we shoot to the house here. This is what we're getting. Got him. He's a monster. There we go. Big old giant. What you gonna do, man? We just out for some bait, really. Well, guys, that's gonna do us today. It's kind of short today, but we're back out on the water, man. I'd like to thank you for joining me here on Whisker Pig Fishing. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and y'all stay tuned. We got some better stuff coming.